out of 5. I don't know how all of you can do this.
Super tight, so I'm going to tie a little knot so they don't get too tight on you, okay? There you go. Alright. Oops. Does that feel okay? Yeah. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Oh my goodness! Lucia's! Look at the tree! Oh my goodness! Look at those big ornaments!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is our first ever trip over to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas. We are so excited, and we're so excited that you joined us along for the party. Christmas is our favorite time of the year, and it's so ironic because we always go to Mickey's oh, show your wristband! Show your wristband, everybody! We always go to Halloween parties, so this is our first year and I'm so excited! Let's go!
I got here nice and early so you're all party professionals in my boat. Yes! Make sure to hold on to those guys. They got everything you need to know about the party tonight. Parade time, show times, fireworks. Hi, welcome.
Alright, as per request from Lucia, we're gonna go head on over to do aerial ride. This is a ride that I'm sure you could do walk on the whole evening, but this is one of her favorites, so we're headed there. Alright, 5 minutes, guys. And this is Lucia's favorite ride, so we're gonna ride this multiple times tonight.
Haunted Mansion's my favorite!
Haunted Mansion? Alright, is that what you want to do next?
Yes!
Alright, let's go. 10-minute wait time.
Look, Scuttle!
Scuttle! Alright, change of plans. We are going to do Haunted Mansion, but Dumbo is right here. It was only 10 minutes, so we're going to do that. I'm going to try to convince her to do Barnstormer because it's also right here, so let's see. And then maybe we can do the cars also. Alright guys, it's 5 o'clock. This one is like so crabby. Oh my gosh. 5 o'clock. Alright, so she wants to do Haunted Mansion. I said, let's do Barnstormer because it's right next door. Barnstormer, next door.
Okay, Dumbo, let's get this show on the road.
Alright, I guess we'll do Haunted Mansion after this. Alright guys, it's 5:30. Lucia has requested to do Haunted Mansion is 25 minutes. It's 25 minutes, so it's not too bad. I'm curious if this will go down because it's just a Christmas party. I'm curious if this is going to go down to a lower wait time after the party starts. So let's see. Alright guys, this is new. I don't remember. We come here obviously like 5 times a year. I'm like, here floats Captain Culpepper. One right behind it. I'll show you just a second. I don't remember this ever here. It says allergic to dirt. So he's pickled in brine. He braved the sea and all the wrath, but drowned on land while taking a bath.
Please give me the answer to my problem.
I feel like that's new.
I wish I had a rhyme for this poem. Can someone help me?
It is like 5 to 6. So we just did Haunted Mansion, and I'm trying to run over to Tony's. I know, like, we didn't make a reservation. We've never ate there before. I'm gonna see if they could squeeze us in as a walk-up. We have like an hour before they'll stop, and then obviously we want to eat before the parade and all the party starts and everything. So we're gonna head on over there and see what they can do for us. Otherwise, we're gonna have to figure something else out. It is 6:40. I literally tried every walk-up there was over at Main Street, and it's fine. It's not that I was ill-prepared. We decided to go on this trip last minute, so that's why we were not able to secure a normal dining reservation. So now we're just kind of like scrambling to get something to eat, because I know how it is. It's just like Halloween, you gotta get something to eat before the party starts. So, an oldie but a goodie, we stopped at Those Bills. So Lucia fell asleep, so I'm gonna hurry up and eat and then try to get a spot over on Parade. So I'm gonna quickly do that now. It's 6:40, so let's see what we can do here. Poor Boyo, she's sleeping, so she's gonna wake up. I know she is. So I got her a hamburger, so I'm just gonna keep it with us. Kind of weird, like they didn't come with fries or anything, but it's 7:15. Lucia just woke up. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I was like expecting the parade to start at 7, but it doesn't start for like another hour, which I guess is good. So we're gonna go look. Oh, it smells like pine trees over here. It smells good. I guess Lucia wants to ride Peter Pan, but I'm like, okay, I don't know. We were already over by Pirates, but she's like, no, she wants to do Peter Pan. So let's see if we can get some cookies, I guess, on our way over there. Let's see. I'm just totally like an amateur hour. I don't know what to do here.
I'm burning with love, the winter weather, when it's nice and
we just did the Rapunzel lantern again, so we waited 5 minutes. Now I'm worried that the line for Peter Pan might have grown, so we're gonna see how it is. You wanna do this one? She wants to do Peter Pan, but looks like the line got bigger. Let's see how long it is. Still showing 20 minutes. Let's see. We'll see ya. They gave Nana a Santa hat. Poor Nana. Alright, you know guys, you know the drill. Every time we come, we gotta do teacups. So it was only 10 minutes. But it's, yeah, it'll be like 2 rotations of people and then it should be good to go. So she wants to do teacups. I know the parade is starting. We gotta find out where to get the cookies still. She has requested teacups yet again. I know the drill. So we're gonna quickly do this. We gotta line up for the parade. Man, I need to find out where the cookies are. I noticed that this party, they don't have the little inflatable things. So now we gotta like actually look for them. Alright guys, So we were waiting in line by the town hall for the first parade, and I happened to look over and I saw Jack and Sally wait time was only 5 minutes. So I was like, all right, we could always do the later parade. We gotta get going because you never see anything like this. So we're just waiting for that now, and then we'll just head on after to do the later parade, if anything. How cool is this?
It seems we brought the whole town, Sally.
Yes, we did. Thank you. You ready? Jack, baby. You're welcome. Yes. Did your best. It's just missing flesh part.
Yeah.
And feet. He has no feet. Is that what it's called?
Yeah,
We're calling it gingerbread. Oh, there's gingerbread men are in his belly.
Cheese! Hi, princess! Cheese!
A little nervous?
Start with Sally.
You gonna give her a hug?
That's quite over.
I'll give him a hug.
Thank you. You're putting a good word for Santa Claus.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Ooh, I like this song. Oh my gosh, that has so many bubbles out of this thing. Guys, this is probably the best bubble wand I've invested myself in.
Finally made it! Sorry, I'm Walt Disney.
Well, we're glad you're here now.
It looks like she got my text.
This is gonna be great!
Please help me welcome my dear friend, the diva of dairy, Miss Clarabelle Cow.
Alright guys, it is 9:45. We did Jack and Sally. And we did Jack and Sally, and then we watched a little bit of the show, and we're gonna head on, obviously we're on It's Small World
your
now.
voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
There you go. Merry Christmas. Yeah.
Let's see, eggnog. I'll have one. Lucia, do you want to try it, or you want to try some of Mama's? Want to try some of Mama?
Yes, of course. Happy holidays.
Bye, thank you. So this is outside of Gaston's Tavern. This is the first time I've seen the inflatable thing like they do at Halloween. I haven't seen it at the other locations. Alright guys, it's 10:20. This is our third time on Ariel today. This girl knows what she likes. Clearly it's Ariel. It is about 10:35. Lucia wanted to do aerial ride again. And I'm like, you know what, we haven't even done Winnie the Pooh yet, so we're headed over there now to try to do Winnie the Pooh. I'm trying to talk her into Mine Train. Let's see how that goes, because the parade is going to be at 11 since we haven't done that yet. Poster wait time, 25 minutes. So we'll see. The line looks a little bit long. It's saying poster wait time, 25 minutes. Same with Mine Train, but like I said, I don't know. Maybe it'll go pretty quick. Poor thing. I had a sweater for her, and it got caught in the tire when she was sleeping. I didn't realize it, so got a little dirty. I didn't want to like put it on her, so she just has her blanket wrapped around her. All right, guys, it's 11. We're still in line for Winnie the Pooh. We're almost to the front. I feel like this sucks the life out of me. Just Disney in here. So we'll see. Hopefully after this we go catch the parade, and then hopefully we can just catch the parade. Lucia, come here. Are you in 3? You in 3 too? Okay, Lucia, they're ahead of us, okay? I know, but we are also on 3. Let them go first because they were here first. It is 11:05. I don't know how all of you can do this. I mean, granted, this is like 2 nights in a row, so it's a little bit hard. And plus, my daughter gets up at 6:30 every day, so especially hard. That Winnie the Pooh line, it was only like 25-30 minutes, but that leg did me in. We're gonna try to catch the parade and then do some shopping, and then maybe, I don't know, by the time we do all that, it should be about 12, so I'm just exhausted. And tomorrow we got Epcot, we're supposed to drop that. I don't think that's happening tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see.
Here in the open, we're walking and hoping together.
What happened tonight, walking in the winter wonderland. I think that's gonna do it for today's video. I can't believe we missed the parade, but it's alright, it's always next year, right? We have to come back again. If you made it this far and we're not already friends, please go ahead and stick around, subscribe, give this video a like. It really does help support the channel, and we will see you in the next one. Or